a video of making a cute avatar, but no Robux edition. If you have no Robux but you want to change your avatar, just watch this video and then I will tell you how. And by the way, guys, those stuff are for free. Okay, so guys, let's go start. So to make the cute character, if you're new, you need to you will see this girl. Yup, this. So just click it. Oh, go to the body and click this. The fifth one, and then go to hair. If you want to get this hair, if you can't find this, you can go to the shop and find this girl. Wait. Yeah, just find this girl. I don't know what's this name. Okay, so just click any head do you want. And then, yep, click faces. And click this happy face. Click this a little bit. Nice. So by the way, guys, it's for free, and it called denim jacket. Denim jacket with white. I don't know what to call it. And it's free. And go to the t-shirts. Then just choose this cat. It's so cute, right? Cute. And now go to the pants. And then, oh no. And then choose this. So yeah. And then that's all. Okay, so that's it, guys. So it's really cute. And then you can purchase any character for free. And then that all. And then it's so cute. So we're gonna name it. I'm gonna name it as Cassie. It's cute. So I named it Cassie. It's so cute. Okay, bye guys. So if you're lazy to do this character, I'm gonna open my computer and sell this. So bye guys, thank you for watching.